coming? Which way's the train coming? Ooh, the anticipation is killing me. Come on. I think they're just taking the piss. They just put the barrier down and have a laugh. There's no actual train coming. Taking the piss, I think. Now let's check out this blonde anyway. Ooh, hello. Running now. Get in. Hiding her breast behind her butt, she was. Gorgeous bit of ass. Oh yeah, definitely taking the piss now. Come on, train. Where are you? Taking the piss. Is the train coming or is it not? I think it's not. I think they're lying. Train, train, train. Train on the train. Come on, train. Hurry up. Oh my God. Nice ice cream sign. No, they can't have me hanging around filming for 5 minutes, waiting for a train for no reason. What the fuck? She's not happy, whoever that is. She's not happy at all. Oh, she's having a little sing-song to herself now then. Oh la 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 la. I think she's pissed. I do reckon she's pissed. Well, I reckon the train will be here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Who bet right? Bet you fucking didn't. Oh my God. What a waste of time that was in my life. Anyway. There they go, look.